Imagine, for a moment, the life of your dreams. Picture the success, the love, the fulfillment you've always wanted. Now, what if I told you that you have the power to bring that vision into reality, regardless of your current circumstances or the opinions of others? This is not a fanciful notion, but a profound truth rooted in the teachings of Neville Goddard, a mystic and spiritual teacher whose work has inspired countless individuals to manifest their deepest desires and overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. Neville Goddard's teachings revolve around the incredible power of imagination and belief. His insights offer a roadmap to manifesting your dreams, breaking free from limitations, and creating the life you desire. So, let's embark on this journey together, exploring how you can harness these principles to transform your reality. The power of imagination. Everything was once only imagined. Let's begin with a fundamental truth that Neville often emphasized. Everything that exists today was once only imagined. Every building, every invention, every piece of art, every successful venture, they all started as thoughts, as visions in someone's mind. Consider the world around you. The device you're using to watch this video, the chair you're sitting in, the house you live in, all of these were once ideas, mere concepts in the minds of their creators. This illustrates a powerful principle. Imagination is the first step in the creation of reality. Neville taught that our lives are like canvases, and our thoughts are the brushstrokes. What you imagine and believe with conviction can shape your reality. This is the essence of Neville's teachings and the foundation upon which we build our understanding of manifestation. Finding your true desire. What do you want? Neville urges us to ask ourselves a critical question. What do you want? This is not about what others think you should want or what society expects of you. It's about identifying your true desires, the things that genuinely make your heart sing. Take a moment to reflect on your deepest desires. What would make you truly happy? What kind of life do you want to create for yourself? It's essential to be honest and clear about your desires, because clarity gives direction to your imagination. In this world, it's easy to get caught up in the expectations of others. Family, friends, society, all can influence us to pursue paths that don't align with our true selves. But Neville teaches us to look inward, to seek our own truth. Your dreams are valid simply because they are yours. You don't need anyone's permission. Empower yourself. One of Neville's most empowering messages is that you don't need anyone's permission to pursue your dreams. You don't need validation or approval from others. All you need is your own decision and commitment to what you truly want. Society often conditions us to seek external approval, but this can be limiting. Neville encourages us to break free from this mindset and take full ownership of our desires. Your dreams are valid simply because they are yours. This is a liberating concept. Think about it. You have the power to define your own path. You don't have to wait for someone to give you the green light. The only permission you need is your own. This shift in perspective can open up a world of possibilities. Catching the mood of your wish fulfilled. Once you have identified your desire, Neville advises catching the mood of your wish fulfilled. What would it feel like if your desire were already a reality? This is a crucial step in the manifestation process. Close your eyes and imagine your desire as if it has already come true. How does it feel? What emotions arise? Try to immerse yourself in this feeling completely. This practice helps bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired outcome. For example, if you desire financial abundance, don't just think about having money. Imagine what it feels like to be financially secure. Feel the relief, the freedom, the joy that comes with it. This emotional connection is what fuels your manifestation process, giving your imagined state sensory vividness. To make your imagined state even more powerful, Neville recommends giving it sensory vividness. This means making your imagination as real and detailed as possible. For instance, if you desire a new home, don't just imagine the house. Visualize every detail: the color of the walls, the smell of fresh paint, the sound of birds chirping outside your window. Engage all your senses to make the experience feel tangible. The more vivid and sensory-rich your imagination, the more powerful it becomes. This is because your subconscious mind cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and reality. By making your imagined state as real as possible, you effectively program your subconscious mind to bring it into your reality. Sleeping in the state of your wish fulfilled. Neville introduced a unique technique to reinforce your imagined state. Sleep in the state of your wish fulfilled. Before you go to bed, spend a few moments revisiting your desired outcome and feeling its reality. Then, as you drift off to sleep, carry this feeling with you. Sleep is a powerful time for manifestation because it bridges the conscious and subconscious mind. By sleeping in the state of your wish fulfilled, you plant the seed of your desire deep within your subconscious, making it more likely to manifest in your waking life. Imagine drifting off to sleep while feeling the joy and satisfaction of your desire fulfilled. This practice not only enhances your manifestation efforts, but also promotes restful sleep, as your mind is focused on positive, fulfilling thoughts. Await the inevitable. Trust the process. After you have imagined and felt the reality of your desire, Neville assures us that the next step is inevitable. You will begin to see signs and events unfold that lead you toward the fulfillment of your desire. This phase requires patience and trust. The bridge of incidents will appear, guiding you step by step toward your goal. While these events may seem coincidental or unrelated, they are part of the divine orchestration bringing your desire to fruition. It's important to understand that the how is not your concern. Your job is to imagine and feel your desire as fulfilled. The universe will take care of the rest, orchestrating events and circumstances to bring your desire into reality. Don't give causation to physical steps. Understand the true cause. It's essential to understand that while physical steps may lead to the fulfillment of your desire, they are not the cause. The real cause is your imagination and belief. People often attribute their success to tangible actions and external factors. However, Neville teaches us that these actions are merely the bridge of incidents, steps facilitated by your inner state of belief and imagination. Consider the example of someone who desires to own a successful business. They might meet the right people, find the perfect location, and secure funding. While these actions are important, they are not the cause of success. The true cause is the individual's persistent imagination and belief in their vision. An example: the marvelous business. Neville shares an inspiring example to illustrate his point. Imagine someone desires to own a marvelous business. They envision it clearly and feel the reality of owning it. Eventually, an opportunity arises. A building is available for sale, but they don't have the money. A seemingly unrelated person enters their life and offers to help them purchase the building. This person, moved by their honesty and integrity, provides the necessary financial backing. Over time, the business grows and prospers beyond their wildest dreams. This example demonstrates how imagination and belief can set events into motion, leading to unexpected and miraculous outcomes. The individual's persistent vision and belief attracted the necessary resources and opportunities to make their dream a reality. Persist in your assumption. The key to manifestation. Persistence is a key theme in Neville's teachings. Once you have assumed your desired state, remain faithful to it, even if your current reality denies it. This unwavering faith will eventually harden into fact. Neville quotes the Bible to emphasize this. The vision has its own appointed hour. It ripens, it will flower. If it be long, then wait, for it is sure, and it will not be late. This passage from the book of Habakkuk reminds us to trust the timing of our desires. Persistence means holding on to your vision, regardless of external circumstances. It means trusting that your desire will manifest in due time. This faith and persistence are what bridge the gap between imagination and reality. The story of Neville's brother, a personal testimony. Neville shares a personal story about his brother Victor to illustrate the power of imagination and persistence. Victor had a vision of owning a particular building. Despite being deceived by the current owners, he imagined his family's name on the marquee and felt the reality of owning it. For 2 years, Victor persisted in his imagination. Eventually, an opportunity arose when a man offered to help him purchase the building. This led to a successful business that expanded beyond their expectations. Today, the business thrives, and it all began with Victor's persistent imagination. This story serves as a powerful testament to the efficacy of Neville's teachings. It shows that even in the face of deception and challenges, persistent imagination can lead to extraordinary success. Remain faithful to your assumption. Trust the process. Neville emphasizes the importance of remaining faithful to your assumption, even when circumstances seem unfavorable. Your senses and reason may deny the reality of your desire, but persistence will eventually turn your assumption into fact. This principle is echoed in the Bible, where it says, God calls things that are not seen as though they were seen, and the unseen become seen. This divine power of resurrection is within you. By assuming your desired state and remaining faithful to it, you can bring it into reality. Remaining faithful means not being swayed by external appearances. It means holding on to your vision with unwavering faith, knowing that it will manifest in due time. You are the operant power. Embrace your creative authority. Ultimately, Neville teaches that you are the operant power in your life. Your imagination, belief, and persistence shape your reality. You have the ability to call forth your desires from the unseen into the seen. This power doesn't work itself. It requires your active participation. Dare to assume the reality of your desires and trust that the universe will conspire to bring them to fruition. You are the creator of your reality. Your thoughts and beliefs are the building blocks of your life. By harnessing the power of your imagination, you can transform your world and achieve your deepest desires. The process of manifestation, a step-by-step guide. To summarize, let's review the process of manifestation according to Neville Goddard. Identify your desire. Be clear about what you truly want. Imagine and feel. Catch the mood of your wish fulfilled and give it sensory vividness. Sleep in the state. Reinforce your desire by sleeping in the state of your wish fulfilled. Trust the process. Await the inevitable bridge of incidents that will lead you to your desire. Persist. Remain faithful to your assumption, even when reality denies it. This process is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. By following these steps, you can harness the power of your imagination and belief to create the life you want. A final word on belief, the cornerstone of manifestation. As we conclude this powerful lecture, remember that belief is the cornerstone of manifestation. Believe in your desires, believe in your imagination, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You have the power to create the life you desire, regardless of external circumstances or opposition. By applying Neville's principles, you can transform your dreams into reality. Belief is not just a passive state of mind, it's an active force that shapes your reality. When you believe in your desires and persist in your imagination, you align yourself with the creative power of the universe. Thank you for joining us in exploring the profound teachings of Neville Goddard. We hope this video has inspired you to harness the power of your imagination and belief to manifest your desires. Remember, it will come to you, even if everyone is against you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Leave a comment below and let us know how Neville's teachings have impacted your life. Until next time, keep imagining and believing in your dreams. By now, you should feel empowered and inspired by Neville Goddard's teachings. Remember, the power to create your reality lies within you. Embrace your imagination, believe in your desires, and persist in your vision. The life you dream of is within your reach, even if everyone else is against you.